know what the good book says. Let your light so shine before men that they would see your good works and glorify your God. Okay. I don't take credit for all this stuff. If I ever won an award, I'd be like, this is all because of Jesus. I'd be dead in a gutter somewhere if it weren't for him. It changed my life. It changed my soul. It changed my life. It changed my heart. It gave me a new life. It's been a long life. I made a lot of mistakes. But you know what? It's okay. We're allowed to make mistakes. It's how we learn. Not only is that how we learn, it's how we grow. And when we grow, we become something. Something that he wants us to be. I tried to be something my whole life, and I was wrong. Now, it's time to really ask him and say, okay, your turn. I can't get it right. No matter what I do, no matter where I turn, it's the wrong turn. The only other turn is your turn. So Lord, pray for everyone here on TikTok that they would find